If you have this problem, then stop throwing away your coconut shell. Hey loves, welcome back to another video. So today's video, I'm going to teach you what to do with your coconut shell. Even though the coconut also has its own health benefits, but today's video will focus on the benefits of coconut shell and what to do with your coconut shell. So without wasting time, let's dive in today's video. And remember, if you have not subscribed to my YouTube channel, just click on the subscribe button. It is completely free, and turn on your post notification bell. The number one benefit of coconut shell is that it is good for body pains, it is good for waist pain, joint pains, any pains at all. If you're having pains all over your body, you know, as we get older, the least thing should you should be expecting is body pains, because as we get older, our body is changing. If you are not feeling pains in your joints, you'll be feeling pains in your waist. But don't worry, coconut shell water got you covered. It is good for body pains. So what they are going to do with it is to get your coconut shell and wash it very well. You can wash it twice, you can wash it as many times as you want. Then after that, you get your boiling kettle, put your washed coconut shell inside your washed pot, add water to it and boil it for like 5 minutes. Then after 5 minutes, you turn off your heat and allow your coconut shell water to be warm, not cold. Allow it to be warm, then you have your bath with it. Also, don't have your bath in the morning when you're about going to work. You always do it in the night before going to bed, because after having your bath, your body will be weak and you will fall asleep and you sleep like a baby. And if you wake up the next morning, you will feel relief. So the next benefit of coconut shell is it is good for tooth problem. If you have tooth problem, tooth pains or teeth pains, what they are going to do is to get your coconut shell, wash it very well. After that, you add a pinch of salt to it. Add a pinch of salt to your water. And the next thing you'll be adding is 1 teaspoon of cloves. Add 1 teaspoon of cloves to it, then boil it. After boiling it, maybe you can boil it for like 5 minutes or more. Then after boiling it, the next thing you are going to do is to allow it to be warm, not cold. Allow your coconut shell water to be warm, then strain it. And what you are going to do is to put the water inside your mouth where you have the teeth problem, the affected area, and leave it there for like 1 minute and more. If you can leave it for like 1 minute plus, just leave it there. Don't swallow it, don't drink it. You are not meant to drink it. Just put the water in the affected area and leave it there for like 1 minute plus. Then after that, you spit it off. You do it continuously. And also, you'll be using this water to brush your teeth. Yes, you'll be using this coconut shell water to brush your teeth. Stay away from any pests, from any toothpaste. For now, stay away from any pest and be using this water to brush your teeth and to be leaving it there for some minutes, then spit it off. Do it for 3 to 7 days. The first day you will feel so relieved. After doing this, it worked so well. So guys, that's the end of today's video. Thanks so much for watching and see you in my next video.